Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is about the best front and rear dual car dash cams. Let's take a closer look at each of these best dash cams. This is Nexar Pro Dual Dash Cam. It provides ultimate protection by recording the road and the interior of the car simultaneously. The road view camera records crisp 135 degrees wide video in 1080p Full HD quality, and the interior camera records sharp footage in 720p HD quality that includes 10 infrared light bulbs that provide superb night vision. The system is equipped with advanced G-force sensors, and comes with 32 or 128 GB memory, providing 4 or 16 hours of loop recording respectively. This dashboard camera works only when paired to the Nexar app, and seamlessly streams live footage to your phone every time you drive, means when needed, video evidence is just a tap away. The camera detects critical situations on the road such as crashes or sudden brakes, and saves them as short clips on the Nexar app. At the tap of a button, it can create detailed post-collision reports that save you time, money, and unnecessary stress when dealing with insurance claims. In parking mode, it senses even the slightest movement, and starts recording immediately. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Zenfox 2K Rear Dash Cam. This is an ultimate triple-channel dash cam, and the front camera records super clear scene in front of your car at 2560 by 1440p at 30 fps, and interior and rear camera record the inside cabin and rear road at Full HD 1080p at 30 fps. The 160 plus 140 plus 140 degrees wide angle allows the camera to reduce the blind spots and capture more events. All-round video recording gives you full protection when driving on the road. All of 3 channels of the dash camera use Starvis sensors and WDR technology to guarantee the ultimate sharpness and night image quality even in low-light environments. The interior-facing camera utilizes 4 IR LED lights, which can handle low-light conditions and ensures flawless video footage when the passenger cabin is dark. Even in complete darkness, the dash camera can capture usable images. It supports 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi that brings faster transfer speed, and built-in GPS accurately records your driving route, location, speed and time. Its parking mode will monitor events both inside and outside of your car for 24 hours. With built-in G-sensor supporting variable sensitivity, the dashcam can auto-detect sudden shake or collision and lock the footage in an emergency to prevent that video from overriding. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Vantrue X4 Dashcam. This dashcam offers excellent video footage without distortion, 4 times higher than a regular Full HD recording. The car plates and signs are extremely easy to read, even on the 3.0 inches LCD. Equipped with a 160 degrees wide recording angle, you will be able to capture most of the road ahead. The 24 hours parking monitoring feature protects your car when parked. The motion detection sensors feel any potential thieves that approach your car in front and start recording. To use the parking mode, you need to hardwire the kit or connect it with an external battery. Using the f1.8 plus 6 glass lenses, Sony Starvis CMOS sensor, and WDR, the dash camera automatically adapts the exposure to the external environment, and produces a clearer and sharper video without distortion even in the low-light environment. The optional GPS function allows you to track location, direction, speed, date, and time on the computer. The built-in capacitor allows the camera to withstand severe weather, and also last for a longer lifespan than the lithium-ion batteries. It also features basic dashcam functions like seamless loop recording, auto emergency protection triggered by G-sensor which locks event footage to a folder, and prevents it from overwritten, or more. And it supports a maximum of 256 GB micro SD card with a full 18 months warranty. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is APEMAN Touchscreen Dual Dashcam. The dashcam is equipped with a 3-inch touchscreen, and you can simply use your fingertips to achieve all operations instead of the traditional buttons. Its low-profile design is to be a well-hidden witness to the road ahead. It shoots Ultra HD video in single lens mode, and dual Full HD video. The touchscreen has a better color contrast ratio, and better viewing angles. Rear cam can be a backup camera, safeguard your journey. It is easy to check and download your videos on your mobile devices, and share them on social media. The detachable GPS module allows you to easily track location, direction, speed, date, and time on the computer. With Sony IMX335 sensor, the car dashcam can capture clearer videos and photos even in low-light night conditions with wide angle, and will automatically balance the light and dark areas of the video. The dash camera is equipped with many functions such as emergency video lock, time-lapse, snapshot, loop recording, motion detection, parking monitoring, and more. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is a VAVA 2K dual dash cam. It captures every detail of the road in crystal clear clarity, and is the best choice for Uber, taxis, rideshare, or Lyft drivers. The dual industry-leading Sony sensor and 4 infrared LED take videos and pictures with HD clarity that even clearly captures license plates at night, or in low-light conditions. Its dedicated app makes it convenient to view, record, download, and share your recording on social media. And the built-in GPS calculates your vehicle's location, driving route, speed, and other information of every journey. The built-in 320 mAh battery can stay on even when the car is parked and the engine is off. When the built-in G sensor detects a sudden shock or collision, and the camera will automatically loop record driving incidents. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video. Please like and share if you find this video useful, and press the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.